Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add music on Messenger Notes. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Facebook Messenger, and as you can see I already logged into my account here, and in the top side of the chats section you will see all your friends notes, and you can create your own note clicking on your profile picture. As you can see, I have no friends notes because they didn't wrote any note here, but I can create my own. So simply click here on your profile picture and you will be able to create a note. So simply click on share a thought and type in everything you want. So simply hello. And as you can see right below our profile picture we have the music icon. So if we click on this music icon, we can simply search for any music we want to add with our note. So you can scroll down this list, or you can search for some music. For example, I want to add some weekend music if it is available. So for example, After Hours. As you can see, now I can select the part of the music that I want to add. I can listen to it if I want, and when I'm ready I need to click on the done button in the top right corner. And as you can see, After Hours The Weekend is added to my Messenger Notes, and now I can simply click on the share button in the top right corner and my note on Facebook Messenger will be shared with the music. And basically that is it. That is how we can add music on Facebook Messenger Notes. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.